Welcome back to our Excel Basics course. If you're looking to master Excel from scratch, don't forget to check out the full course linked in the description for even more useful tips and tricks. Today's lesson is all about learning how to use the fill panel in Excel to color cells, columns, or rows. This is a simple but powerful way to make your data stand out and become much easier to read. As you can see, when you first enter data into Excel, it often looks plain and can be hard to interpret at a glance. That's why it's so helpful to use color as a tool to improve the visual appeal of your tables. Adding color not only makes your spreadsheet look more attractive, but also helps guide the reader's eye to important information. To fill a cell with color, start by selecting the cell you want to highlight. Then go to the fill panel and choose the color that works best for your design. You can pick from the standard color options or go further by creating a custom shade that fits your needs perfectly. If you want to color an entire row, simply select the row by clicking on its number on the side of the Excel window. Once selected, choose the color you want from the fill panel and the entire row will be filled with that color. This technique is especially helpful when you want to highlight specific rows, such as totals or key categories. In case you decide to remove a fill color, it's just as easy. Select the cell, row, or even column you want to reset, then go to the fill panel and select no fill. This will clear the color and the cell or row will return to its original formatting. For even more flexibility in your design, Excel allows you to use custom colors. By clicking on more colors, you can select the exact shade you want from a color palette or create a specific color by adjusting the RGB values. Once you find the color you like, simply press OK and your chosen cells will be filled with the custom color. And that's it. Now your data looks more organized, colorful, and easier to read. Using color effectively can make a huge difference in how your spreadsheet communicates information and can help make your presentations and reports look much more professional. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video where we'll dive into even more tips and tricks that will help you make your Excel spreadsheets look better and work smarter.